Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily send emails from a Trello board. So, all you have to do is head over to Trello.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, select the specific board, and from here, just click on the automation button that looks like a lightning. Just click on it, then click on buttons. A new window will then pop up, and from here, we're just going to start by creating a button. So from here, you can start customizing the card button to make it easier to identify that this button is for sending emails. So we're just going to name this send email and also choose an icon. So I'm just going to use this. And once done, let's start by adding action. And from here, we're just going to switch to content. You can start customizing what is inside the content. And it is important to add an email address in send an email notification to. You can also add in a subject and message. Make sure that you click the add button beside it. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!